Hey guys, I know it has been quite a while now. Okay, you've not had a video from me, so my channel is gonna I'm gonna begin to have some new content on my channel. Okay, particularly pertaining to hair. Okay, freeform locks, and this is an aspect of my life which is really so important because my whole philosophy is around one word. Okay, effortless. And I remember seeing how this freeform thing and how it appeals so much to me. Why? Because for many reasons, it's natural. There's no extra effort put in. There's very little maintenance. As you can see right here, this is a 3 month journey right now. Yeah, and you can see it's locking up there. You see. So I mean, it's just like what Bob Marley would say. I mean, it's like wash and go. And it's in as much as it's it's a statement. I think much about my life has been about being non-conformist. That idea of just being you and speaking out, a message loud and clear and hard and even in quotes violent, without being violent, right? I think it's a positive, it's a very strong way of making a statement. But then it's also, it flows out, it speaks volumes about what you firmly believe in. Okay, if you're like me and you go for what's natural and maintaining what's natural in as much as possible, with very little chemical stuff which has to modify the nature of this, this natty feeling, then you'd vibe with the feeling, certainly, because it's not up till now that it occurred to me. I'm in my late 30s right now, and I'm like, I mean, I just want to flow and vibe and align with who I really am. And freeform locks really just happens to really do it for me. Okay, so what about you? What about you? What's it you really stand for? Share the comments, share them in the comment section with me. Okay, tell us then. I mean, what do you really stand for? I mean, do you are you also a free former, or yeah, some people go for more for the twist and everything and the stuff like that. But you see, that's just another variation, another option. So tell us, what do you really think about this? Okay, share them in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to see you on another one. Have a fantastic journey. Have a fantastic free form journey.